14-inch laptop looks premium, has a full metal body, yet weighs only 798 grams, making it the lightest 14-inch laptop in the world. That's a huge claim, and it could completely change the laptop industry. 2 years ago, Huawei's MateBook X Pro became the benchmark for lightweight metal laptops. Since then, many brands have tried to catch up, but don't compare this with 13-inch laptops, plastic models, or devices without glass displays. If any lightweight laptop can beat a Huawei, it's another Huawei. Meet the Huawei MateBook Pro S. So let's see why this 798-gram HarmonyOS laptop is creating so much buzz.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Here it is, and wow, is this really a laptop? I honestly can't believe how light it feels. Before checking it out, let's see what's inside the box. You get a compact 66-watt USB-C charger that's surprisingly small, plus a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, let's get back to the star of the show. The first thing you'll notice isn't just the weight, it's this stunning color. Huawei calls it vertical purple. It's not loud or flashy, instead it's soft, elegant, and has a smooth jade-like finish with a classy vintage vibe. Honestly, it looks gorgeous. The lid features the familiar Huawei logo, but look closer and you'll spot the HarmonyOS branding, confirming this is a true HarmonyOS laptop. You'll also notice two slightly raised sections on both sides of the lid. I won't reveal their purpose just yet, but take a good look and see if you can guess. Open the lid and you're welcomed by a beautiful 14.2-inch flexible OLED display with super slim bezels for an immersive experience. Inside, the purple theme continues, while the keyboard uses a slightly darker shade. Huawei even includes a small card inside that gives off a mysterious feel. The power button also works as a fingerprint scanner, and the large, pressure-sensitive touchpad feels premium. Even better, you can smoothly open the laptop with just one hand. For ports, there's one USB-C on the left, while the right side includes another USB-C plus Huawei's Super Video interface. The frosted finish feels silky smooth and premium, and the same soft matte texture continues across the keyboard deck and bottom panel. Huawei continues using its dragon metal body, but this time the real upgrade is the dramatic weight reduction. At just 798 grams, it almost doesn't feel real. Let's test the build. I can flex it just a tiny bit by pressing the edge, but what really surprises everyone is the weight. You can literally hold it horizontally with just one hand from the corner. That's how incredibly light it is. But what does 798 grams actually feel like? It's almost identical to a full pack of A4 printer paper. On the scale, the laptop reads 798.1 G. Even a partially used 900 milliliter water bottle weighs almost exactly the same. That's the weight you're carrying every day. Here's another comparison, a fashion magazine. The size is similar, but amazingly, the magazine actually feels heavier than the laptop. That's seriously impressive. It's not just light, it measures only 11.9 millimeters thick. Measuring it confirms Huawei's claim, with some areas even thinner than the official specification. When it comes to 14-inch laptops, 798 grams puts this machine in a class of its own. If it claims second place, it's hard to imagine who could take first. The biggest question is, how did Huawei make it this light? The secret comes down to three major innovations. The biggest is Huawei's brand new cloud-based lossless architecture, designed to reduce weight from 3 different areas, making this record-breaking lightweight laptop possible. The first big breakthrough is hidden inside the laptop. The outside keeps its premium finish, but the internal frame now uses Merino alloy, making it both lighter and stronger. Flip it over and you'll notice something unusual. There are no visible screws. So how is this laptop even held together? Huawei's answer is its new lossless structural design. Instead of traditional screws, it uses 4 lossless support structures and 8 pairs of bi-directional anti-pull clips. Everything locks firmly into place while keeping the body clean, seamless, and even thinner. It's a clever design that hides the joints without sacrificing strength. The third breakthrough is making the internal components thinner than ever. Earlier, I mentioned the pressure-sensitive touchpad. The touchpad is ultra-thin, but the glass layer above it is even more impressive. It's incredibly slim, yet still works perfectly. There's also a hidden feature I can't fully reveal yet, but here's a hint. It responds to more than just your fingers. We'll save that surprise for another video. Now, making parts thinner usually raises one question. Will they become weaker? Huawei thought of that too. The touchpad goes through a secondary reinforcement process, making it stronger despite being thinner. Another major upgrade is the 3-section motherboard. This compact design frees up more space, allowing the lower half of the laptop to become even slimmer. Combine that with the naturally thin OLED display, slimmer components, and lightweight Merino alloy, and you get Huawei's complete cloud-based lossless architecture. Here's how it evolved. Back in 2023, the motherboard was much larger. It became smaller in 2024 and 2025, and now it's redesigned into a compact 3-piece layout that's significantly smaller. The cooling system followed the same path. The fan kept shrinking year after year, and the newest version is thinner and far more compact. Huawei has clearly focused on miniaturizing every internal component. Then there's the new integrated clip structure. It's Huawei's first time using this design in a laptop. The idea comes from classic engineering, but it's been modernized to deliver impressive strength and reliability. The lightweight body plays a huge role. Huawei builds the internal frame with Misato alloy, starting from a raw metal plate before applying a micro-arc oxidation process and a final protective coating. The result is a material that's lighter, thinner, and more durable, making it a key part of this laptop's design. Pair this advanced alloy with Huawei's new structural architecture, and you get the ultralight, ultra-thin MateBook Pro S. You can actually feel the engineering the moment you pick it up. But being thin isn't enough. What about performance? The MateBook Pro S runs on Huawei's Kirin X190 processor. The new S version delivers stronger performance and improved connectivity while still weighing only 798 grams and measuring just 11.9 millimeters thick. Huawei also adds a 4-antenna Wi-Fi 7++ system, claiming a wireless range of up to 1,000 meters under the right conditions. We can't test that today, but we'll definitely verify it in a future video. For everyday work, strong wireless performance is a huge advantage. Battery life is another highlight. The MateBook Pro S packs a high-density battery with Huawei Super Pump technology. Huawei claims it can stream 1080p online video for over 18 hours on a single charge. I'll test that in my full review to see if it really lives up to the promise. That's what makes this laptop stand out. It's not just unbelievably thin and light, it also delivers strong performance, long battery life, and reliable connectivity in one premium package. That's the Huawei MateBook Pro S. So what do you think? Personally, I can't stop looking at this gorgeous vertical purple finish. It looks absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.